to show you the Peachy Cheap mystery box. So I just opened it and I'm gonna drop everything on my table. These are Teresa Collins memories. So they're die cuts. And I guess you get all of these that's here. It's cute. Then you get some butterflies cutouts. Let me open this for you. And they do give you the little foam. And they are like a plastic. And they're kind of hard. So that's cute. See? Thick. So you could put the foam right there. So we have that one. And they are magnetic. That's cute. So you could put them anywhere where there's a magnet. I think I'm gonna put them all over my Raspberry. That's so cute. See? They're magnetic. They stick on to each other. And this one, that one. I never saw these before. That one's pretty. And that one is bigger. This small one. And this big one. Look at that. They all connect to each other. That's cute. I like that. So they gave me some jelly bean soup sequins. So far I'm liking the mystery box and some stickers. This is the Peachy Keen Fancy Pants design, and I like the typewriter. The little birdie. That's cute. So it goes from large to tiny on here. And then there is a Prima. And these are cork stickers. That's how that looks. Some skeleton. That's gonna be given away. That's gonna be given away. I don't do none of those things. This one is Prima also. That's cute. And then some some stamps from Hampton Art. This one says New York, which is kind of nice. So you have the Empire State Building there. The pretzel. It's cute. And some vellum glassine bags. There's 4 of them in here, and these are what you get inside here, which they're cute. I like that. Then you get some Bella Boulevard ephemera, and these are words, and this is what you get inside. Then you get some petals stickers. I don't know which this goes to. So if you know, can you leave it down in the comments below and tell me what this goes to. And then there is another My Mind's Eye stickers, and it's just chill, and it says six sticker sheets in here. So let me just, so you get some alphas, some flags and tags, some stickers for the summer, some more stickers. Oops. And then that's the last one. That's cool. And then you get stencils, Hampton Art stencils, 12 by 12. You got 26 pieces in here. Wow. And these are all the stencils you get in here. Adventure awaits. You are my home and my adventure all at once. Fresh flowers market, hugs and kisses, creativity, hello there. This cute flower there, that there. And so far I like all of them. Let the sea set you free. Sorry for the glare. I can't bend this because my tripod is hitting the camera. This is hitting the camera. And that's what you get there. So that is cool. I like all of them. And then you get some stickers from Fancy Pants. So you get some strips of washi, it looks like. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 designs on that. Then you get some more stickers here, some flowers, which I like. That's kind of cool. And then you get a pen here. And this is from Studio G Fine Liner. So that's cool. You put it right there. And then the last thing is this collection kit, My Type. And it also comes with the ephemera pack in the back. So let me just open it up really quick to show you. Sorry for the noise. So you get some enamel dots. I like the colors. And then you get the ephemera pack. And that is what you get in here. And I like the colors. It's not colors that I don't like, so that's kind of cool. And then you get, it doesn't show the papers in here. So let me open it up real quick and show you the cardstock. So, I've never heard of these collection kit My Type by Renee Looney. So 2 each of 6 designs. So you get 2. So you get this one with the alphas and the hearts. And the back is typewriters in red. Not my color, so I'll definitely use this side. Then you get this doily in the front, which is called Love Notes. And then Love Notes in the back. That's cute. Then this one is Endless Love. And the back has that. This one is a banner love, and it's stars. And then this one is the banner with hearts. This one is Love Buds. It's wood grain and little flowers in the back. This one is Love Blooms. Some different color lines and some flowers in the back. And that is it for the mystery box of Peachy Cheat. And I think if they have another one, I think I will. Because so far I like this mystery box. There was a couple of things that I'm not going to use, so I'm going to give it away. So, and Happy Meal or something like that. So I'm kind of happy, and I really liked it. The butterflies that I could put all over my Razcogs. That's cute. All my drawers from IKEA, the metal ones. So I'll put that on them. So I'm gonna do that right now. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, please leave it down below. I do get to you relatively quick. And take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.